All right, so I just got in the door here. Been going all morning, but yeah, they just made a trend down. This is the channel that we have slash trend built into it. There's signals too. I just cut them off and use the position building text with my proprietary bar color. The other bar color that's important too. And yeah, so normally and that's that position building text. They pause. They're not like taking back off to the upside here. The adaptive volatility bars again important. Not dealing with price value. It's not doing none of that. It's not doing that. It's time. It's not doing none of that. All right, so that's important. And so if the market goes slow, the bars won't print as fast. All right, when they start printing fast, you'll know what's going on. It's primarily useful when you're dealing with chop. I cut the weaker color off, so all you're seeing is the stronger color. So you're seeing that strong red in that bar, in that 1 minute bar. You're seeing that. The weaker color, I just shut it off. I got the ladder actually calculating based on the adaptive bars. I did make the millisecond ones, but sometimes yeah, it's important. There are some price levels on this chart too. I shut some other ones off. They can actually capture some of these other micro fluctuations that they get going off. It's just like the ranges. So I have three more ranges, not just the two I've released publicly. I got three more. So I shut some of the stuff off. That's all. You have to purchase the suite in order to get it. There's the trend target if they're going to actually move down. If they move down here, they're going beneath this pivot. There's no question about that. They did trap that magenta down there, and I did tell you guys if they ever trap the magenta. Most of the time, they're heading that way. Most of the time, you can pretty much bet on it. Those the value. These are the value benchmark institutional signals here, and again, it comes with a bar color. Even though you see it on the top of the bars and the bottom of the bars, that's not really how you play these. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not. It's in line with this text. They need to be put together. I'll put it like that. This is the position building one. I'm sorry, this is the institutional one. This is the position building one. So most time when these come in as well, they'll kind of lift up and then take back off. So yeah, so that's what you got. We got to just see if they want to go down some more. I mean, again, they got that target there, but they've been sitting at the range, and I've already mentioned to you. Well, I'm sure I mentioned it over there on futures trading, and I believe I mentioned it on Day Trader today. Whenever you have those ranges overlapping like that, you're going to get some really funky activity. I mean, you best to know it. It's going to absolutely annoy you, and it just won't be fun. All right, so I definitely want to share that with you. If you want to look at these bars, let me pull this in string really quickly here. Make this somewhat fun. I don't want to cover up that. All right, so make this somewhat fun. I'm just watching for like another minute. I won't be here long. All right, so let's just see what they got going on. Again, it's two components here. You have this profile here is primarily just meant to sit right in the middle of your bar. So if you wanted to just run a plain chart, you can throw that profile up there. And then of course this one it will expose the wick as well as the body outline. And so that way you can run this stuff and just look at a plain chart and just get a feel for what's happening. So that's all. So let me compress it just a little bit so you can kind of see what's going on since that rally up. Okay. So yeah, you just take a look at that. That's all. And so that's what you have. That's what you have. Again, the blue color, that's important. All right. That's important. It's important like the numbers and the levels. It's really important. But let's just see what they got down here just for another moment. And again, if you need to learn how to trade, I encourage you to go over to Future Trading Channel. I'll teach you exactly what you need to know for fundamental aspects of finding majority in the chart because it compels the minority to follow. And there's only three different ways it will show up on your chart. All right, well, that's my time with you. Don't want to bore you again. Thank you so much on TikTok for all the support. I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.